Welcome to this video. I'm Rod, and today we're going to be talking about creating SaaS applications without knowing web development. So for me, web development is one of the most interesting areas, but I never learned it how to code in JavaScript or any kind of web programming language. So I'm just a part-time data. I'm a data scientist and also student. Simultaneously, I'm working for a company and I'm working my ass off to pass the exams in my college. Anyway, so I'm going to show you guys how to create a SaaS application without knowing any web programming language. Actually, that's what I'm doing right now. I'm creating SaaS applications without any programming language, without any web programming language, actually. How can I do that? I'm just using no-code tools like Software, Bubble.io. Actually, any program that allows you to inject your HTML code in it. So I just said HTML. This is one of the web-related programming languages, even though it's not a programming language. HTML is not a programming language, kind of like a markup language. But we need to convert our Python code into HTML code to insert inside of this website, inside of any website. So, for example, as you can see here, I'm just on the website, on main site, actually, main page of software, as you can see here. And once we look at the templates, you're gonna see some templates for SaaS applications, also like SaaS website. Let me just click preview. That looks great. So I just create a new account, by the way, for this video. So I'm gonna choose this template for this video, right? But how can I do that? Okay, so let's look for SaaS. So we have SaaS dashboard, customer portal website, and B2B website. I will continue with this template, which is SaaS website. So once we just start using this template, we have an option here, as you can see here, when we click that button here. So I'm just gonna make it smaller. So once you click that button here, add any block in this page, you're gonna see some code options, custom codes. There you go. So let's just add this. And the whole application, by the way, software is the kind of drag and drop kind of application where you can add some blocks and delete them, add some features, and in it, you can also connect your databases. You can connect to get some data from your own databases. For example, if you're using Mongo database, you can connect it with some integrations and stuff. So I just create a new custom code section in this website, as you can see here. And the second step will be creating an API to get responses the way we want it to be. For example, I'm creating once I created let me just show you guys. So this is the channel. So once I created this website with software, as you can see here, where you can chat with your videos by just passing the videos links. And it allows you to chat with them, and also allows you to create YouTube shorts, shorts formats. Allows you to also create shorts videos, but it doesn't, it's not working right now. As you can see here, I'm using only my API here. I connected with the no-code tool here, is software. As you can see, let me just show you. Oops. So I'm just giving the URL of the video and just asking something about video. So right now it's just sending API requests to my API to get something out of it. Let's just say I was just using here Open ChatGPT's API. So it's kind of like ChatGPT wrapper app, that kind of SaaS application, which is pretty common, by the way, these days. Nowadays, just lots of guys are just creating ChatGPT wrappers, and that's not a bad thing. Actually, it's really easy to create something that can be valuable and beneficial for people with ChatGPT's API. So why wouldn't you use it actually? You know what I mean? Anyway, so at that point, we're just sending some requests to my own API, which is in this case, I think I deleted this API, but I'm gonna also show you guys my other kind of like small application. This is an extension here, as you can see. Once I click that button here and just send a message, it sends a message to my API here. So this is my API. I created this with Fast API in Python. Here, as you can see, it's a Fast API written in Python. So as you can see here, I have some like kind of different several functions. As you can see, I'm just allowing users to get responses from my API. And oops, I just revealed my OpenAI keys anyway, so I'm gonna delete it. Don't worry about it, Murad. So here we have some functions like get response. Actually, there's only one option to get something out of from my API. So once I created this API, I'm heading to this website, which called Railway. So let me just show you guys right now. So my API is live on this server, as you can see here, Chrome extension, and I can also see the logs whenever someone just use it. As you can see here, this model's maximum length, blah blah blah. I was just using, I think, GPT 3.5 in this Chrome extension. So as you can see here, you can also see the logs, build logs, details about your API and stuff. You're just connecting your GitHub account with this Railway app. Then you're just launching it to production. Then you're ready to go. Which left us only one last step, which is to create a HTML code to connect your no-code application to your API with your API. So how can you do that? So I don't know anything about web programming, even though I had classes about them. But let me just show you guys how you can create a let me just show you the exact example. For example, this one, I'm just copying the whole code and just passing right over here. I'm just gonna ask create a HTML script that send requests to this API. Okay, so here's an HTML script that sends requests to specific Fast API endpoint, but it gives the localhost URL, so you're gonna change it to make it functional. And I'm just gonna ask also add an user interface. I'm gonna use it on my website. Okay, let's just see the results. Okay, here it is. So I'm just copying the code and pasting it right over here. There you go. Perfect. But actually forgot that one of the main things that we need to do is just changing the URL right over here. Wait, what was the URL? There you go. So this is this is one of the local URLs. You need to change it to your actual URL, which is in this case this one. So I'm gonna just change it to paste it right over here, and I think we're good to go. Let's just try it. Okay, I'm just publishing that. We just preview that. Okay, now we're previewing our no-code application. So preview as a user. Okay, here it is. Hi, how are you? URL. Oh, we need to also insert some URLs. This is our URL. Let's just say it. Hi, well, what is this about? What is this about? Because that API just gives us anything. Like, you can ask anything about this video. For example, would it explain how that app works? You can ask it, for example, but I'm just gonna ask simple. So I'm just sending a request to see if that works, we can change the logs here. Yeah, we got the, okay, so we actually successfully sent a request to our API, but because of the like some restrictions from the OpenAI's side, from OpenAI's end, as you can see, I can't get some great results from my API. It's not about us actually. It's from the ChatGPT's API. So once you change the model to GPT-4 or even like higher models, you will be able to get some responses. So this video was just about the overview of of creating a SaaS application without knowing any like web programming or languages and stuff. You can also see my other works here on my GitHub page. This is me. So these are one of my best repos. I done lots of projects with YOLO and also LLMs, document ChatGPT. I actually like had a great repo that has over like 100 stars, but I just deleted for some reason. Anyway, this is my GitHub. So also you can find also great projects. So that was it for this video. But if you guys want to see how to do, like how to create an API or how to set up an API to production in the by using this Railway app, I can also create some videos about them. Just let me know in the comments section. Yeah, and that video was just really spontaneous, by the way. I just had my Zoom meeting. Then I thought that would be great if I create a video about SaaS applications, because like I'm very interested in SaaS applications and this kind of developments. But like so far I couldn't be able to create a great functional SaaS applications. You know, like once I got a like great SaaS applications, I'm really down to like to do some marketing and stuff. But we'll see. I have some great ideas, I think. And you know, like also like there's kind of like a gold rush right now for creating SaaS applications, and everyone is just trying to right now integrate AI to their SaaS applications to get a great piece from this cake. You know, like there's a big cake right now, which is gold rush, kind of like it kind of feels like a gold rush right now. And when there's a gold rush, there's a saying like it goes like that. When there's a gold rush, sell pick and shovels, because at the end of the process, at the end of the day, no one's gonna be a millionaire by just digging gold, but everyone is just gonna splurging their money on pick and shovels to get to be able to dig gold. You know what I mean? Yeah, that was it for this video. Like I said, that was one of my spontaneous videos, and I will be uploading and creating new videos about these topics, around these topics. Okay, and I also some other plans for interviewing with SaaS founders. I know some guys from Turkey, from United States, from the States and stuff. That will be awesome. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.